welcome. It's a bit of a misty morning here on the road to Hana. We're just gonna get started on the first leg of our trip, and we thought we'd stop at this beach. I don't know what it's called. We saw some turtles right over there. Many turtles. Windsurfers on what seemed to be pretty gnarly waves out there. Not too bad, but it seems big to me. I don't know anything about surfing. My name is Paul Green, and I do random vlogs, so join me on my first trip, on our first leg, on the road to Hana. Guy's cruising. There are probably 50 or more turtles right here. I've never seen anything like that.
Make some room. It's nap time. I need in here. Oh, can't wait to catch some Z's. Catch you later, bros. I'm going sub-level. Gonna find Dory, catch some underwater waves. That nap so totally rocked.
It's hard to break ourselves away from such an awesome sight, but we gotta hit the road to Hana. This is rare eucalyptus, and the colors on the bark are pretty amazing. We stopped on the road to Haleakala. How do you say it? Haleakala. Really cool, colorful bark. And we're just stopped in the middle of the road, and all these people are trying to get by, so we'll go. There's a cow, and he's getting rained on. So much rain today. It's just pouring. Crevice in this hillside. And we haven't been able to stop a couple places because of the flash flood warnings. They've said closed, flash floods, and our guide is starting to sing to us again. Okay, we're venturing away from the car just for a moment so we can see how much water is actually falling down here. You can hear it. This river is just like roaring right next to all this bamboo. And I have a lovely hat on, because my camera is gonna get soaked. I'll put my towel over the top of my camera. We're gonna venture right over. Oh my goodness, look at this water. Let's see, I'm gonna just do it backwards because I can't see out the window. Dave made it back in. How was it?
Well, it was Flood City. I actually went up to the floods and witnessed, well, I jumped in. As you can see, I'm kind of wet. The flood was crazy. I was talking to it. I'm like, how are you this morning? And it was like, I am enraged, really attitudey.
The flood said that?
Yep.
Rude.
I was trying to be nice. I'm like, Shaka, stuff like that, you know?
Yeah, much love. Well, let's continue on. Whoa, what's that?
That's what the floods look like. Anyway,
oh, nice shot.
lots of flooding.
Of course. Huge trucks gotta come by. Out of nowhere, bruh. That's a pretty heavy waterfall going on. At least we got out and took a look. This bridge was built over 150 years ago, along with this dam. Dave's turn to drive. We're going. Hi.
Now that's the same company we mentioned earlier that diverts water to supply water to other parts of Maui.
This has been about the extent of our sightseeing because it's a monsoon.
Check that out. Oh, look at that river.
Whoa!
River right here.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
We just parked in a lake. Freaking not go. Whoa, that guy's not a smart driver.
This is crazy. We've been on cliff edges right by the ocean. Some of it's eroded out and they have little barriers.
Very wet.
It does smell nice out there. I could probably touch all this foliage just being right on the edge here.
Smack the camera right into it.
After we round
Our guide's kicking on again.
pull over to the side of the road. If there's no room for parking, there is another larger area just a little bit down the road on the left.
I got it.
Ah! I saw it. I saw some, and I got some water on the lens.
Biggest Texas.
Here's another one of those rivers and single lane
River bridge. They're called river bridges. These river bridges are actually 20-foot deep roadways of water
under the ocean.
And as you go through, they have a facade of air that makes you feel like you're actually above the land.
Coming up in just a minute is a chance to explore a lava tube cave. Ha!
Changed my shoes from the casual to the hikers, and I've got this little thing I'm gonna hold above my head and be kind of a grandma. I got the flashlight.
That is so rude.
That barely works.
Why not a grandpa? You know,
Well, I like grandmas
okay.
better, because, yeah. And we're gonna go explore. Let's go. I don't know if we should go in, Dave. It says stay out.
Because it's ghosty here.
Mustang. Wow, and there was a whole ton of cars waiting over here at this bridge. Little one-lane bridges. We just entered this lava tube, and I'm gonna see where it goes. Let's check it out. Collapsed? It's a little small in here. There's an exit point over here. We're already done. So we went about 50 yards. Wow, I'm glad I got that app. Otherwise, we wouldn't have known this is here.
It's pretty great. I feel like we're going to see Yoda or something in here and have the test of our lives, maybe see our dads or something and strike them down.
Yeah, yeah. Darth Vader. Wow, look at these root systems. They go down into the ground, come up through. I thought it was a pipe for a minute.
Let's go to the mines.
The Waka Waka Lamy Mines. I'm gonna have to go back for that car shader thing. Oh, there's something down here too. Look at that. It goes a little deeper. I think there's a Yeti down there.
Slow down a bit as you drive by and get a good look. Next to it is a clear waterfall and from the side road to the hill. 25 minutes or so and grab a bite to eat in Hanatown.
That's a crazy river.
Oh yeah. Hey Paul, I was just thinking,
Yeah?
there's so much water here. It's like, can you imagine how much water 5 gallons of water would be? Like, you couldn't drink that in a day. You couldn't drink that in a week probably, 5 gallons. And now we have way more than that right now.
So much. Wow. Oh, wood-fired pizza! Can we go, Dad?
Oh. That's almost what the 7 sacred pools look like. Pretty cool. What's this guy doing? Oh, no, we're here first, I guess.
Bye-bye. Well, I said, let's stop, we gotta stop. Because there's a whole bunch of shops grouped together. See if we can find a little snack, and maybe pirate treasure, maybe a treasure map. I don't know. There's mahi fish and ahi fish? Look at that umbrella. Everything's a little too fishy and much too expensive for our taste, so we're just gonna continue on down the road, and we're getting close. And just like that, all of a sudden, the rain stops, and everything feels a little easier. Uh-oh, dead battery. Insane. We just took a quick detour to Wailua State Park. And looks like there's a lot of people here. There's a black sand beach, there's a sea arch, there's a blowhole, and a number of other things. What's wrong with my mouth? Something's happening. There's the sea arch, black sand's down there, and a blowhole somewhere. I'll tell you what, it feels really good to be out of that rain. My back is soaked. Black sands were lava flows that instantly shattered upon going into the ocean. I guess they ground up into very fine black sand. Great vantage point from this area. We have this kind of blowhole. It's kind of shooting up. I know the waves have been crashing and going crazy here. It's very interesting to watch. Don't want to get too close, sucked in. And over on this other side, we have a vantage point of the black sand beach right there, small one. Of course, the sea arch on this side. Oh wow, just missed some of that mist coming up. We gotta get out of here and back on the road. Whoa, sweet. There's one of them. Let's go, Dave. By the way, here's Hana town, part of it, and up there is Haleakala, the crater that we went to see, and we were above those clouds. We could not see lower. Up on the hill we have Paul Fagan's cross, which was a memorial to him. And what did he do, Dave? I don't remember.
He established Fagan's Burritos. So, some kind of hotel.
Let's go over here and eat some Fagan's Burritos.
I'm doing to your truck.
It's nice, we're still taking our time around Hana Town, and we're looking for a place to eat, and with this little bug, we cannot get down this steep grade, so we're parking over here and walking. It feels really nice out here. I love the overcastness, but it's gonna get dark soon. We're gonna be driving in the dark. Oh well, I guess. Bugger right there. We would not be able to get that bug down that. Okay, we're gonna see what Hana Ranch restaurant has to offer. It's got a nice view already. I know it has that much to offer. We cut our burger in half, shared it, split the fish in half, shared them. Fries, and we're good.
Instagram break, brah.
Red crested cardinal. And he comes back for more every time.
That is so cute. Wow.
Then he flies away. Now we're shopping at the Ogawa general store, and I bought one of each of those shirts just because their design is so cool. And I guess this place has been around for 100 years. Has it, Dave? Because look, it says 100-year anniversary Ogawa general store. And this place is like an old tin roof place out there, and they just have all sorts of stuff. They have plumbing and stuff right there, and then t-shirts, and then candy, and looks like books, maybe even some used books. Cool general store. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Look at this place. There's the road to Hana, and there's the Ogawa general store. I just noticed these cookies inside, and I thought they would be good to get, not only because they're numinos, because I like them, they're supposedly more natural, but these are gingeros, and I heard that ginger can actually prevent car sickness, motion sickness. I took capsules earlier of ginger, but now that those they have ginger in them, maybe they'll help car sickness. And I thought, next time I'm in Disneyland, I'm gonna take some ginger capsules and go on some of the things that make me motion sick, like Star Tours. Just an idea. Now we're on a little tiny narrow trail. We're going to hunt for red sand beach before it's dark, and it's getting dark. We will be driving the road to Hana back, reverse, in the dark. Nobody knows that we're here. Totally alone. Totally could be washed away on that island over there. Yeah. Look at this amazingness. Is it right here? Where is it? Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Dave, you led us right to it. Right to the red sand beach. What are we gonna do now? Oh, looks like there's some people here. Let's go check it out. Wow, this is something out of Pirates of the Caribbean or something. But this barrier before the beach, it almost looks totally secluded besides the couple people that we saw. I can only imagine that it would be very beautiful if it were a little brighter out here during the day. The sun has been down for a while. Hiking out of here in the dark is going to be pretty bad, so we're just going to stay a few minutes. But let's see, where's Dave? Dave is up there. There he is. And this red sand, it seems mostly red. There's some lava stone mixed in here, but it's quite red, yeah. We got a little rope that kind of helps you all the way down. What in the world am I looking at? A completely skinned fish? And like bleached bones and like half a crab? What in the world? So weird. Dave, look at this. What in the crap is this?
Huh. Whoa. Looks like somebody found some stuff and set it there.
It looks totally staged. It's probably some kind of witch ritual.
Oh my gosh, look at that. There's an emergency floaty thing.
Oh, there's an emergency floaty thing. That's nice.
Sheer cliff. That's great.
And look, mysterious girl standing on that cliff wall over there. Maybe she's a ghost. She's a ghost of Christmas past?
Yes.
This is weird. I think she might really be a ghost.
Thank you for watching. Every so often I like to do my announcer voice. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be excellent to each other and ta-ta for now.